Mhm. Currently, you are giving up, you are feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. You have weak boundaries. Yan yung current vibe mo right now. Okay, currently you are giving up. Admitting defeat, yielding. This one is telling you na, ayan sabihin natin, nagiging marupok ka na naman. Okay, nagiging marupok ka na naman. Parang hindi mo na naman mapanindigan yung iyong boundaries. Okay, this one is telling you to not give up. Kung ano man yung boundaries na meron ka, patatagin mo yon. It's not the right time for you to give, sabihin natin, second chances. I feel na merong tao na nilagyan mo ng boundaries at ngayon na ay parang kumbaga nanghihina ka at andun ka ulit sa point na parang gusto mong mag-quit dun sa mga bagay na isinet mo before. So this one, this card, and this reading is telling you to not do that. Kumbaga, wag mo siyang gawin, wag kang surrender, wag mong i-admit na you are weak and defeated by someone na sabihin natin inilet go mo na before at ngayon ay bumabalik.